Drawing in detail requires patience, observation, and practice. Here are some steps you can follow to improve your ability to draw in detail. Observe. Take a moment to observe the object or scene you want to draw. Pay attention to details such as texture, lighting, and shading. Sketch lightly. Start with a light pencil sketch of the basic shapes and forms. Use a light touch to avoid making permanent marks. Add detail. Once you have the basic shapes in place, begin to add details. Take your time and work slowly, adding small details one at a time. Use shading. Use shading to create the illusion of depth and form. Pay attention to the light source and how it affects the object you are drawing. Use reference materials. If you are drawing a specific object or scene, it can be helpful to use reference materials such as photographs or other drawings for inspiration and accuracy. Practice regularly. The more you practice drawing in detail, the better you will become. Set aside regular time for drawing, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Drawing in detail can be challenging, and it's okay to make mistakes. Keep a positive attitude and learn from your mistakes to improve your skills over time. Remember, drawing in detail is a skill that takes time and practice to master. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can improve your ability to draw in detail.